Tired of keyboard and mouse in GTA 5? Let's get your PlayStation controller set up to dominate Los Santos. First things first, you'll need a PlayStation controller. Either a PS4 or PS5 controller will work flawlessly. Make sure it's charged or has a solid connection via USB, so you can start the setup without interruptions. Now, open your Steam in the top left corner, click on Steam and then click Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the controller option and click on it. Next, select General Controller Settings. This is where the magic happens. In this window, you should see a few options related to controller configurations here. Make sure to check the box that corresponds with your PlayStation controller to enable its direct support. Now launch GTA 5 through Steam. Once the game has loaded, you might not need to anything else, and the game should detect your PlayStation controller automatically. Test controls to make sure that the configuration works. If the game doesn't instantly recognize the controller, don't panic. Back in the controller section of Steam, you can configure configurations for GTA 5. Choose to edit, customize, or choose one of the community-made controller profiles. Test your chosen configuration until you're comfortable. Now you're set to cruise the streets of Los Santos in style. Enjoy the game and happy gaming.